Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial exactly what you need to do in order to get virtually unlimited gift card codes without you needing to pay for it. So let me clarify, this is not a hack, this is not an exploit. Principal app stores will still get paid real money for these codes, for the allocations of these codes. So basically, the way it works is that you are going to watch a video ad or something along those lines just for a couple of minutes, and then they will add a fairly significant amount of money in gift card codes, which contains lots of premium stuff. So for example, I was able to receive $100 credits for basically watching 4 minutes worth of video ads on this website, and it works anywhere in the world. So I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial how you can sign up, how to use it. It is really easy, and this level of advertisement made for games just got released this year. It is 100% legit, and it does not break any rules. So guys, if you are interested in this video and you know you are going to use it, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Okay guys, the first step is to go to the website I'm showing right now. Here you will be able to get virtually unlimited codes, guys. The only requirement is to qualify first, but do not worry guys. It is really simple and easy and takes only 2 minutes or less. Just answer the questions and you will be ready to go. Okay guys, hope you have enjoyed our video. This is especially for people who loves gaming and wants to get access to premium content for free. If you want me to check more sites like this, let me know in the comment if you like this type of content. If you like the video, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps with this content. And guys, have a great day and enjoy this freebie.